Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing up. So if your contact name is not showing and it's only showing new numbers, I will show you how to fix this. Now first of all, issue over here could likely be because let's say that you reinstall WhatsApp, you open it up again, but when you are logged into your account, now the names are not showing and it's only showing numbers. Now the reason it's not showing in mine because I have already fixed it and also show you a way on how you can fix yourself. The most easiest way to fix it, because WhatsApp is most likely lacking the contacts access or the contacts permission. So in order to fix this, whether you are on iPhone or Android, you have to grant WhatsApp the access to your contacts and your phone blocks. So in order to do that, if you are on Android, you can just launch your phone settings and then scroll down a little bit and just go for this option, go for this manage apps, and in here you can easily search for WhatsApp. Now what you can do is you can go to the option called permissions, as you can see this one, and now you can see the contacts over here. Just tap on it and make sure that contact permission is set to allow. Now don't allow or ask every time. Make sure that it is set to allow. WhatsApp is a contact application and if it doesn't have the contacts permission, it will not be able to provide the accurate data. So once you allow the permission, you can also come back and you will find this option phone. Just tap on it. Make sure to simply allow it. Now let me show you what happened if I don't allow the permission. So first I will go for contact and tap on this don't allow, and now if I refresh my WhatsApp application, you will be able to see there are no names now, only numbers. So you have to make sure that allow the permissions, and after allowing the permission, just go ahead and open your WhatsApp and your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.